adding a panel heater to a summer house that you've probably seen in a previous video already, and they also want a TV aerial going on. Now, right, that's it, Ryan's just going to stand there forever. Right, so the bit while we've got power on in them sockets, I'll chase that out now with the beast, me, and the Metabo. And then we're going to change them to doubles. I think these, is that a stud wall as well, that one?
Okay.
That's a stud, that. That's a stud wall. That's also a stud wall, but it's probably that lath and plaster stuff. But we'll get to do that with fast fix boxes. We'll change that to a new one. I'll just put that one. Change the pendant. Right, first thing then, chase that out. They've marked where we want it. That's where they want the really large square socket going. Straight down, lift this floor up. Probably find we'll get over there and just spur off that socket because it's a stud wall anyway, so see how we get on. Just thought I better point out. There's another summer house that we done. Probably one of the better ones, isn't it? Yeah. Inside, there's loads of stuff inside that, that's smart. So we just got them boxes out, ready to cut out. It's like that eggshell kind of wall, that, by the way. Chase that out, hoovered up under the floors. But them boxes, I've never seen these ones before. They must be like the earliest spring-loaded. It actually says fast fix, 10B fast fix. It says pattern applied for, assuming they never got it, because everyone, but is that like the first fast fix box ever made? Someone will know, comment. That's that one done. Head over to the other job now, hopefully get some footage there. It's 2 o'clock, so we're on target. All change that. New pendant. Ready for the whole room to be skimmed. On to the third and final job of the day. Just adding another socket over there. Ryan is. So that was the ender line for our radial down here. So we're just straight across.
Oh, are you going to do another stupid edit then?
Nice chasing, Ryan.
It fell apart.
Mains board's going in there. Chased up. We're going to put a header trunk in across and put the board on the wall there. That armoured is a 25mm because we've been asked to move it. They don't want it here by the front door. So we're going to put a switch fuse on there. This is just the old mains board that we're just running a temporary socket off at the minute. I don't think we've got any video footage of this place before, did I, when we was first fixing? Or did I? I don't think we did. So it's pretty basic spec, this one. Just 2 sockets in this room. Pendant switches. Just a pendant in each room. I think 3 sockets in the double bedrooms. What the hell has he done for there? Anyway, yeah, we're just putting a 2D pendant, not pendant, the LED 2D style fitting up there. Fan isolator, smoke detector, pendant, all pretty basic stuff. Yeah, I don't think I had any footage of this, but we'll be second fixing this on Monday, like I said. But I've just done that trunking under the stairs for now, just while Ryan's doing the socket. I thought I might as well do something, so that's what I decided I'd do. And this is the kitchen, it's a tiny little kitchen. So we've just got a standard fitting in the kitchen. In fact, we're going to put in a pendant there, heat detector there. And the reason these boxes are just sticking out is because this is all they've got in the kitchen. I think we're just putting a socket there for the boiler. 2 temporary sockets, and it's just temporary because they're going to be building an extension in the next 6 months or something, so, or whatever, I can't remember how long he said. He might have said only 3 months, but yeah, he's going to be building an extension, so that's why we've wired them, and they're not bothered about them sticking out, because it is what it is. But the extension's going on the side there, which is why I'm going to take that header trunking straight across to that wall. And that means then the any additional circuits going that way, got easy access to the mains board with no messing about. I just can't do it because that's the only bit of trunking I've got left, and it's not big enough. We've got up and down lights going on the outside of here as well. That's going to be conduit on the inside because it's like a little brick porch, as you can see. So we're just going to have to conduit that because that's this brick staying. Nice. Got anything to say to the people, Ryan? To the people. Ryan's moving.
Don't even put that in video. No chance.
Can everyone comment? Oh. Pretty much it. A couple of little odd jobs cleaned up, so they're out of my hair now. The hair that I've had cut, considering someone was bullying me in the comments about my haircut the last time. No, it wasn't really. The next video should be a lot of networking points, stuff like that, in one of our subscribers' houses. And when I say a lot, I mean like 30 network points in his house, plus loads of other stuff, downlights, and yeah, it's grown to be quite a difficult job in a brand new house. But we've not finished that yet, so that's why the video has not been out yet. So yeah, thanks, stay tuned. Do us a little favour, subscribe and hit the like button. See you on the next one. Peace!